Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if your Windows 11 PC was sitting on the shutting down screen for longer than usual, maybe for a few seconds longer than it should, then you're not alone, because Microsoft has officially confirmed that there is a Windows 11 bug that's been causing slow shutdowns where you need to wait longer than usual to restart or turn off your Windows 11 PC. Now, although this is the case, the good news is that Microsoft has actually officially fixed this issue with the latest optional update that rolled out for Windows 11, 25 and 24H2. And I posted on the update, which is KB5095093. I'll leave the video linked down below in the end screen. There's quite a lot going on. There's about 8 or 9 new features and lots of improvements. Go check the video out for more information. And if we head over to the changelog for the update, buried deep in some of the improvements, Microsoft says, general performance improves the time to shut down background intelligent transfer service, also known as the BITS service, when you turn off your PC. Now that's the important bit. And what that service is all about is, if we head into our services, here we get background intelligent transfer service. It says transfers files in the background using the idle network bandwidth. If the service is disabled, then any applications that depend on bits, such as Windows Update or MSN Explorer, so you can see it's quite a legacy component of the operating system, will be unable to automatically download programs and other information. So that's the background intelligent transfer service that I'm talking about. So basically, in other words, what Windows could have been doing was checking for updates, downloading updates, or deploying Microsoft Store updates, or performing other downloads and or uploads that could have delayed the shutdown even when you're already on the shutdown screen. So that's what could have been taking place under the hood. So if your PC was hanging or taking extra seconds while shutting down, according to the changelog, improves the time to shut down background intelligent transfer service. That should help, and you should notice a quicker shutdown after applying that update. And if you don't apply the update now, it will roll out with our Patch Tuesday update, rolling out on the second Tuesday of next month in July. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.